Everybody, I'm at the JLC trade show at the Zipwall booth, and they've got some, it's not new because you've had reusable panels for a while, but they have reusable panels with a zipper door in it. I'm here with Jeff, and can you tell us about the different configurations and what led to this development?
Sure. Well, we've developed it because it's always sad to take 20, 30 feet of plastic
Throw it in the dumpster
and throw it in the trash.
Yeah.
These are reusable. You can wash them. You can put them in the washing machine. You can dry them.
You can dry these. Okay.
You can.
Yep. Now I've got a 10-foot and a 5-foot section from years ago that is reusable, and I've used them. I've washed them. This is different because it has a zipper door in it now, right?
Correct.
So the 10-foot section has a zipper door.
Well, we have two series. We have a 12-foot high series and a 9-foot high series.
Okay.
And each series has a 10-foot panel with a door, a 10-foot panel without a door, and a 5-foot panel.
So you can make different length
and they
walls.
all zip together. So you could, if you needed 30 feet with a door, have a panel with a door, and then 2 panels without the door, and zip them together.
And so you said 9-foot high and 12-foot high, but they're really 9 foot 6 inches?
Yes, and 12-foot 6 inches.
Because that gives you the loop over so that you can get the
pole on
true 9-foot or true 12-foot. What do they cost? Because people are going to say, the thing that's going to scare most people away is always cost, right? Well, plastic's cheap. Well, right, but you can reuse these over and over again. They're very professional looking. What kind of costs are we talking about?
Well, the cost of this panel with the door is more expensive.
Sure.
I think it's right around $100, but I don't have the price in front of me.
Yep.
But if you think about it, if you put up plastic sheeting and you want to put zippers in it, right there, that's $25 for the zippers.
For the zipper door.
And the time it takes to put the zippers in it.
That's right.
So, and then you gather it up and throw it away. With this, you just put it away for your next job, or shake it out,
fold it up, reuse it, or wash it if it's that bad.
And it's very easy to wash.
What about, my next concern would be, I'm a big magnet door fan, so we just talked about the magnet door. I've been using it forever, since it came out.
Yes.
Because I hate zippers, because zippers would get caught and wear out after a while. So you spend $100 on this panel, I use it 5 times, and the zipper stops working. Is there any sort of warranty or a way to get it repaired?
Oh, yeah, no. If the zipper fails on you, definitely get in touch with us, because we'll replace it.
You'll stand behind that.
Absolutely.
That's great. I mean, that's what people want to hear.
Yes.
So when did this just come out? Just recently or this year?
Well, with the one with the door in it came out this year.
It did, yep. And you've always had the 5 and the 10?
Yes.
And they're this color? You can't see through them, or are they clear?
They're like this.
They're like this, which kind of is good because it gives you a little bit of a privacy, too.
What's nice is it gives you privacy, and it also allows lighting.
Yeah.
Because if you have
translucent, right.
something dark, it's.
And what is this? Is this the whole?
This is very cool. Let me show you this. Instead of the hooks for the zippers.
I hated the hooks, by the way.
Well, they're better than the ties we used to have.
Right. Right. So always improving, right?
Yeah. So you roll up your.
Oh, I think I know what you're going to do.
So you roll up the sheet. Yep. And you just clip it open.
And just clip it on.
Yep.
I also like that you didn't limit the zipper door to 6'8" or whatever. It goes all the way up. So
it doesn't go all the way, but it's
pretty close.
Pretty close. That way, if
cabinetry.
Also if you have a 7.5 foot ceiling, not a 9 foot.
Right.
You don't have to duck to go through the door. It'll go up high enough.
I like that you did that. And then this is the end of that panel that you would keep building off of if you wanted to.
Correct.
What is the 5-foot and the 10-foot non-zipper door going to retail for?
The non-zipper door, I believe, the 10-foot panel is about $80. And the 5 is, I want to say, $65.
So for $200 or so, $250, you can get yourself a pretty good run.
And it's going to last. But
you do need the poles, obviously. You'd have to have the poles. Yeah. Well, this has been great. Thank you so much for showing us these new products.
Thanks for.
We'll see you guys soon. Take care,
everybody.